Okay, here we are on the US 1 bike path headed north. We're leaving Cudjoe Key. We're going to cross Kemp Channel. There were some people fishing here earlier. It's a little on the windy side for me. Kemp Channel. We just passed mile marker 23. There's a little bit of parking on the Key West side, and there's a parking lot on the Summerland Key side. There's the ocean. But we got a traffic jam up at the end. Howdy. And here we are, heading to Summerland Key. There's my neighborhood off in the distance. Like somebody might have caught a fish. Summerland Key. I'll read this sign to you. You can't have RVs or trailers in these spots. There's a sign up here that tells you so. Kind of a dumb rule, but nonetheless it's a rule. No oversized vehicles, no recreational vehicles or trailers. There's the sign. Okay, we're back on Summerland Key. I'm gonna leave it right there with you.